kasi di nag-prepare. Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo malaman kung paano maghanda kapag magbindol? Here are the tips of what you should do before, during, and after an earthquake.
First, make sure that you have a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, battery power radio, a flashlight, and extra batteries at home. Second, learn how to do a first aid. Third, make a plan where to meet your family after an earthquake.
Fourth, reduce putting heavy objects on shelves.
And last but not the least, if you're at school or at your workplace, make sure that you're familiar to its earthquake plan.
What to do during an earthquake? It's important for you to stay calm. If you're indoors, stay inside. If you're outside, stay outside. If you're indoors, stand against a wall near the center of the building, stand in a doorway, or crawl under heavy furniture. If you're outdoors, stay and open away from power line or anything that might fall. Candles or any flame during an earthquake. Don't use elevators. What to do after an earthquake? First, provide first aid for anyone who needs it. Second, check the water lines, gas, and electric lines for damage. Turn on the radio and wait for the latest news about the earthquake. Stay out of damaged buildings, be careful around broken glasses and debris. Stay away from beaches. Tsunamis might come. Stay away from damaged areas and follow the emergency plan of your home, school, and workplace. And expect for aftershocks. Oh, alam mo na. Alamin mo. Para sa susunod, di ka maging ganyan. Ha ha ha. Bye!